This is Statistics 1 Math 1 to 2, code name Unit 2, Assignment 2, number 7. It says from 14 mathematics students, 5 are chosen to represent a math symposium. In how many ways can this be done? Jill said she will not attend if Joe is present. With this restriction, in how many ways can the choice of students be made? But C says Harry said that he will not attend if either Paul or Pat is present. With this restriction, in how many ways can the choice of students be made? But this is Sally must be present. So with this restriction, in how many ways can the choice of students be made? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to draft an example like number 7. So in our example, we've got 17 mathematics students and 6 are chosen to represent a math symposium. So in how many ways can this be done? So in our solution, we are to take note of the fact that when you are doing probability analysis, you would and whenever you mention you would and, just know you have to multiply. And when you mention you would or, just know you have to add. If you are doing arithmetic analysis, then if you mention and, then you have to plus. 7 and 3 will give us 10. Okay, but in probability analysis, if you mention the word and, then you have to times. Okay, and or you have to plus. Okay, now for part A, it says in how many ways can this be done? So you've got 6 to be chosen from 17. Okay, so basically what is happening there, your n is equal to 17. 17 distinct students, separate, they are different from each other, and you need to choose R. So your R, you need to choose 6. So your R is 6. There is no restriction. So basically that is a 17 17C6. 17C6. That will give us 12,376. Now, part B now says, John said, or let's say Jonah said that she will not attend, because remember I edited, so Jonah said that she will not attend if Jane is present. With this restriction, in how many ways can a choice of students be made? So what do you want? You do not want, okay, teams. You do not want representation with Jonah and Jane together. Okay, you want those with Jonah present, those with Jane present, and those without Jonah nor Jane. So that's why you're using the or. Jonah present or, so you see the plus. Jonah present or, Jane present or, none of them present. Okay, so let's start with none of them present. None of them present. Okay, we'll have to extract Jonah and Jane from the set of 17. Okay, so they are not present. So we still want 6, but we are going to select that 6 from a set without Jonah and Jane. Okay, no, it's okay to do that. 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. It's okay to extract because pretend by some mystical, divination that in your random selection, even though they are present, some force not allowing you to select them, and that is possible. Okay, so it's okay to pretend that they are not there, and you still want your 6. Okay, so that will give us all the combinations, all the selections with neither Jonah nor Jane. Now, what about those with Jonah alone? Okay, so we can call Jonah, for example, we can abbreviate Jonah by using an H. Jonah. And we want 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So our set is still 15 because we extracted both John and Jane, but we only need 5. So 15, choose 5. Okay. And same applies with Jane. Let's call Jane J. Okay. Because Jonah and Jane have the same letter, I choose each for Jonah. And let's use J for J. Okay. Or E for J. So therefore now is the same 15C5. Okay. And when we add all of these, we will get the total. We are going to do a 15C6. 6 is present there already. That's 5005. Then we have to do a 15C5. 15 choose 5. That's 3003. And another 15C5 is 3003. And we're going to add those 3 values. Okay. So that's 5005. Or those that neither Jonah nor Jane present, or those with Jonah alone, or those with Jane alone. And this will give us 11,011. Now, part C says, Harry said that he will not attend if either Paula or Patty is present. Okay, so Harry said that he will not attend if either Paula or Patty is present. Okay, so it's kind of similar to part B. Okay, so we're talking about Harry now. Okay, so we want all those that does not have. Let's oh, by the way, there's another way to answer part B. What about analyzing all those that were both Jonah and Jane present and subtracted from the total of 12,376? So we are going to alternatively fix Jonah and Jane, and we only need 4 more. So those will give us all the selections with both Jonah and Jane. Okay. So again, we have a set of 15. Okay. Set of 15. And we only need 4 from that 15. So it's a 15C4. And that will give us all the combinations with both Jonah and Jane. And that gives us 1365. So we're going to subtract 1365 from 12,376. And as you can see, 12,376 subtract 1365 will give us our same 11,011. So let's go back to part C now. Okay, so it's just an extension of part B, it looks like. All right, Harry said that he will not attend if either Paul or Pat is present. So we want those with Harry alone, okay, and those with Paula. Okay, let's do those with Harry alone. There are different ways to approach this. Let's just let's calculate those with Harry alone. So let's fix Harry. And we'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But however, now we do not want we don't want Paul or Patty to be present. Okay, so we have to extract 3. So that will be 14. So N now will be 14. And our R now will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will give us all those with Harry alone. Okay, Harry present. Okay, so that's a 14. A 14C5. Okay. What about Paula and Patty? Okay, without Harry. Okay, or neither of them. Okay, so basically it's just to extract Harry. Okay, that will just be basically extracting Harry from the set, and you want 6 now from that set. Okay, you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from that set. Okay, Harry is not there, but you extracted all 3 of them. No, you only extracted Harry. So that's 16. So in that 16C6, because you need 6 now, in that 16C6, you have some with Patty, you have some with Paula, you have some with both Paula and Patty, and you have some with neither of them in that 16C6. Okay. And basically, that will give us our total. So 14C5 gives us 2002. There are 2002 combinations where Harry is present. Harry is present, and neither Paul nor Patty are present at all. Okay. And 8008 combinations where either both Paul and Patty are present, or only one of them is present, or none of them at all. So 2002 plus 8008 will give us 10,010. Now, Part D now has a simple, relatively simple restriction. It says Salia must be present. So basically, we have to fix Salia and extract her from the total. That will be 16, and we need 5 to complete the 6. Then the only restriction is that Salia must be present. So we fix Salia, we extract her from the total. That will be 16 now, and we basically need 5 to complete the combination. So we are selecting randomly 5 from 16. So that'll be 16C5. So that'll be 4,368.